Gentlemen, it is now my honor to invite to this podium Professor Ganesh Ramakrishnan, Principal Investigator, Bharat Gen, for the introductory remarks. Let's welcome him to the podium, Professor Ramakrishnan.
Respected dignitaries, respected Minister, Dr. Jitendra Singh, it's an honor to talk about the progress and the important milestone that Bharat Gen is celebrating today. In October last year, Bharat Gen was officially launched by you, Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh. In just 8 months, we have grown from an idea to a vibrant, fast-moving national initiative with 7 top academic partners and deep partnerships with Indian compute infrastructure providers. Not only that, through the Technology Innovation Hub, which is a Section 8 company, as explained by Mr. Kiran Shesh, we have hired the top talent which works in cutting-edge generative AI. Many of them are our own graduates. Mr. Abhishek Singh, as you would have observed, we not only have a very strong team of researchers, but engineers who can translate that, hired from our top engineering colleges. Our mission is bold but simple. Build inclusive, sovereign, and scalable generative AI models and tools for India, while being grounded in our linguistic and cultural diversity, and through that build the generative AI ecosystem in the country by Bharat for Bharat. Let me take a moment to share what that means in practice. We have already trained foundational large language models ranging up to 7 billion parameters with more than 5 trillion tokens spanning multiple Indian languages. From text foundational models to speech recognition, unique speaker style transfer, which is a nuanced version of text-to-speech models, text-to-speech models themselves in multiple Indian languages, and document-centric vision language foundational model. This is one of the fastest full-stack generative AI build-outs seen anywhere globally. Several of them are the first in India. And very importantly, all of it is grounded in Indian data, Indian use cases, and priorities, which is very representative for the entire world. To strengthen the ecosystem of building models, not just built for India, but with India, we launched a nationwide Bharat Gen hackathon in March. It had 4 themes, spanning education, healthcare, governance, and culture. We received an overwhelming response, 279 team applications involving over 1,200 students from 21 states. Out of these, 14 teams were selected for month-long mentorship, and today, 6 finalists are showcasing their prototypes. What we are seeing here is not just innovation. It's the beginning of a generative AI talent pipeline which is rooted in Indian challenges. I want to, at the outset, deeply thank the Department of Science and Technology, Secretary Professor Abhay Karandikar, NMI CPS with Dr. Ekta Kapoor for reposing their trust in us and facilitating this entire mission building through the Technology Innovation Hub at IIT Bombay. I also want to deeply thank our industry partners for their generous support, be it in sponsoring resources, powering the hackathon platform, or contributing through expert talks and panels. I'm also thankful for the presence and encouragement from our ministry partners, without which this hackathon wouldn't have happened. Your belief in this vision is what makes Bharat Gen more than a research effort. It is a national movement. We are already witnessing early deployments and impactful use cases across diverse sectors. These include agriculture, citizen services, judiciary, governance, and defense, as will be reflected in the myriad of panel discussions, spotlight talks throughout the day today and tomorrow. I warmly invite all of you to explore the BharatGen showcase stalls just outside this auditorium. These demos feature many of our 16 foundational models and 21 curated data sets for benchmarking, fine-tuning that have already been released on the India AI Mission's AI Kosh platform. In addition, they highlight several new models. The stalls highlight several new models and applications that are being launched today by our distinguished chief guest. Together, all of them reflect the breadth and depth of BharatGen's technological progress and the complementary strengths, very important, the complementary strengths of our national consortium. It is not a one-man show. At the stall show, where we showcase Param, you will see our foundation models for text and their real-world applications, from tokenization, language understanding, to content generation, capturing the nuances of Indian languages, their token similarities, their phonetic similarities. These booths reflect our commitment to building from ground up, especially with the paradigms rooted in Indian languages. In Shrutam and Suktam, those stalls called Shrutam and Suktam, we spotlight our speech technologies. Foundational models trained across diverse accents and languages. Shrutam and Suktam for speaker adaptive, unique speaker style transfer, and text-to-speech systems. At the stall called Patram, we highlight our work in vision and document understanding, and as I mentioned, the first in India foundational document vision model. We also highlight our Bharat Data Sagar framework, aimed at enabling AI-ready India data for nation-scale deployments, capturing the linguistic diversity. Finally, our multimodal booth explores the frontier of integrating AI systems across all of Param, Suktam, Patram, Shrutam, where language, vision, and data all come together. These demos are being brought to life by an exceptional set of students and researchers, and that is our big pride. Many of them are alumni who have joined back from IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Kanpur, IIT Mandi, IIIT Hyderabad, and IIM Indore. Each team reflects the complementary strengths of our national consortium, combining experts from academia, startups, and industry experience, the backgrounds they have come back with, both national and international, and from foundational AI research to user-driven deployments. So please do take time to interact with the teams. They are the best ambassadors of what BharatGen stands for, and we are just getting started. This BharatGen Summit will mark our public model releases and open source contributions. We look forward to partnering with developers, companies, governments, and other institutes to improve these models collaboratively. Through this entire exercise, we are actually developing know-how, the recipes for India. So to all the developers, innovators, and scientists here, this is your time. With BharatGen, we want to build together not just India's generative AI stack, but a globally distinctive, culturally rooted AI future. Let's keep imagining, building, and learning with Bharat at the heart of it all. Thank you very much.